Forest class, hello Matthew class. Welcome to Thursday's maths lesson. Can you notice where I am today? Forest class, can you see where I am today? Today I'm in school. So I'm doing the video from school, so I've got lots of our resources, which is really nice, so that we can do our maths together. So today in our maths reception children, we're going to have a little go at doing some more doubling, and I've got a really nice activity that you can have a go at doing at home. And then year one children, we're going to go on and think about grouping objects. So we've been thinking about equal groups, haven't we? We've been thinking about working out if objects are in equal groups, and then we've been making equal groups. So today we're going to be grouping again, but we're going to be sharing in equal groups. So we're going to have a group of objects and we're going to have a go at putting them into equal groups. So let's practice our counting. Let's practice counting in 2s, 5s and 10s today. We did that yesterday, but really good to practice, especially when we're doing this grouping and sharing. Really important that you can count in 2s, 5s and 10s. Reception children, you just need to be able to count in 2s, count in 2s to 20. And then year one children, you need to do the counting in 5s and counting in 10s. But reception children, it'll be great for you to practice counting in 5s and 10s because you're soon going to be year one children. And so you'll need to know how to do it. So let's count in 2s. Let's count in 2s all the way to 20, and then let's go back down again. So we're going to go up to 20 and back down to 0. Ready? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. 20, 18, 16, 14, 12, 10, 8, 6, 4, 2, 0. Okay, that was done quite quickly, wasn't it? We did that quite quickly. If you're finding that tricky, especially counting back, find your number line, use your number line, follow the numbers on your number line. I haven't got a number line with me, but you've got one in your pack, so you can get it out, have a look and follow on your number line. Let's start from 20 and going 20 down to 0, counting back in 2s, starting on 20. 20, 18, 16, 14, 12, 10, 8, 6, 4, 2, 0. Brilliant. Let's count in 5s all the way to 50, but we'll just count up in 5s to 50, okay? Ready? In 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. What number would come next if we're counting in 5s after 50? It would be 55. What would come after 55? It would be 60. Brilliant. Let's do that again, but we'll stop at 50. Okay, ready? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Brilliant. Now let's count in 10s. We're really good at counting in 10s. We're going to count in 10s all the way to 100. Then we're going to try and go back down to 0. In 10s, ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. As you go back down, we'll start on 100. 100, 90, 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10, 0. Fantastic. Okay. Now, we're going to have a little go at doubling today, and we're going to have a little go at a game. I'm going to try and see if you can see this, but it might be a bit tricky. So, what you're going to need to play this game, you're going to need a mirror, and you're going to need some objects. So, let me just see if I can get, there we go. So you might not be able to see me so well, but what I want you to be able to see is the mirror and the table. So what you're going to need is a mirror. You can do this in front of a mirror that stood, or any mirror that you can find. And we're going to have a go at doubling. This is a really good way of showing you what double is. So I'm going to do double 1. So you're going to put your object down, and then in my mirror, you sit, there we go. Now I've got double 1. Double 1 is, great. Let's find out what double 2 is. Put it down. I've got my 2. Double 2. Look, there they are. Double 2 is 4. Let's do another one. Let's try and find, I'm going to put 3 now. Can you see my 3 objects? 1, 2, 3. Let's find out what double 3 is. Double 3. There they are. Double 3 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Double 3 is 6. Let's do one more. I might have to do them a little bit closer. There are my 4 objects now. I'm going to find out what double 4 is. Use a mirror. There you go. Double 4 is, you can count in 2s to find it out, can't you? 2, 4, 6, 8. Double 4 is 8. So that's what, let me find you again, can you see me? There we go. That's what reception children, that's what I'd like you to do today. I'd like you to go and find a mirror somewhere and some objects. It could be anything, pencils, pens, balls, twigs, anything, your toys. You put your little toys in front of the mirror and double whatever you're putting in front of the mirror, clothes pegs, anything, and have a go at finding doubles. And then you can always do some recording on your board. It'd be lovely to see some recording on your board. So the doubling that I did, I put 1 in my mirror and I doubled it. So I added another 1 and that made 2. Then I put 2 in front of my mirror and I doubled it. So I added another 2 and that made 4. Then I put 3 in front of the mirror. I doubled it. So I added another 3 and that made 6. I wonder if you can do me some number sentences on your board for the doubles that you find. So that's what I'd like reception children to have a go at doing today. Year 1 children, it'd be great for you to do it as well, because you can always practice your doubles, but maybe you could do some trickier doubles. Maybe you could do something like 7. Put 7 in a mirror. What's double 7? 7 adds 7. So if you can do that and see what big numbers you can do. Do you know what double 10 is? 10 add 10. You could do some really tricky ones. I wonder if you can show me the trickiest double that you can do. What's the biggest number that you can double? There's a challenge. See what numbers you can double. See how big numbers you can double. Okay, so year 1 children, we're going to go on and we're going to think about sharing. Sharing objects. So this week has all been about equal groups, hasn't it? Thinking about sharing and grouping into equal groups. Do we remember what that word equal means? Equal means the same, doesn't it? So you've got equal groups if each group contains the same amount. That is what equal means. So we're going to think today, we're going to have some objects and we're going to try and share those objects into equal groups. So again, I'm going to move my camera so that you can see the board. See the table, sorry. Is that going to work?